Hey everyone, I'm here to talk about something that's a total bummer. Yeah, you guessed it, a broken iPhone, laptop, or even your TV. But don't worry, there's a hero in town. Normal Gadgets. Now you might be wondering, why should I trust these guys with my precious tech? Well, let me lay down some facts for you. With over 1,100 glowing Google reviews, 12 years of hands-on experience, and a whopping 90,000 successful repairs, it's clear that Normal Gadgets isn't just another repair shop. They are the local experts. So what makes Normal Gadgets stand out? First off, their team. These aren't just people who tinker with tech. They're passionate about bringing your gadgets back to life. Every time you visit, you're not just a customer, you're part of the family. Imagine this. Your iPhone's screen is shattered. Heartbreaking, right? Or your laptop refuses to boot up on the morning of a big presentation. Panic mode. Well, that's where Normal Gadget swoops in. Just drop by their shop and they'll take care of the rest. Quick, efficient, and totally stress-free. And it's not just about the fix. It's the trust, the quality of service, and that feeling of relief when your device works like new again. That's what they deliver. So next time your tech acts up, you know where to head. Normal Gadgets, because they love to help, and they're darn good at it too. So don't let a broken gadget ruin your day. Swing by Normal Gadgets and get back to your best tech life in no time. See you there.